Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an amazing product to share with you, the COLORCORAL cleaning gel for car. If you're tired of dust and dirt accumulating in hard-to-reach places in your car, keyboard, or other devices, then this is the perfect solution for you. This universal cleaning gel is not only simple and convenient to use, but also incredibly effective. It's perfect for cleaning your car vents, keyboards, cameras, printers, cell phones, speakers, and so much more. Plus, it's made of natural gel that is not sticky to the hands and has a sweet lavender fragrance, making it a pleasure to work with. All you need to do is take a piece of the cleaning gel, knead it into a ball, and press it into the surface you want to clean. The gel will pick up all the dust and dirt, leaving your belongings spotless. And the best part? You can use it over and over again until it becomes dirty, then simply replace it with a new one. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to dust and dirt in your car and around your home, click the link in the description to get your hands on the COLORCORAL cleaning gel for car today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing products and reviews. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.